On June 16, at the National Assembly Hall, Mr. Somat Ponsena, Vice President of the National Assembly, disclosed the outcomes of the research and deliberation on the strategy aimed at fostering the construction and renovation of new roads to the press.
ให้เป็นโครงการทดลองที่มีระยะทดลองแต่3 ถึง 5 ปีสุมใส่ตอนทางในทางหลวงแห่งชาติที่เป็นเพนักหน่วง
The National Assembly members unanimously endorsed the guiding principles and strategies for future implementation. The policy deliberation encompasses the following key points: embracing government-proposed principles by reducing import tax rates on construction materials and machinery, cutting costs of natural resources, and lowering the value-added tax rate for projects, excluding fuel
เขาร่วมใน
imports.
การฟื้นฟูและส่งไป
These adjustments are anticipated to slash project expense by approximately 17.43%, fostering an environment conducive to attracting both local and foreign investors for infrastructure development, thereby easing the state's financial burden. Advocating for the utilization of locally manufactured construction materials like cement, rebar, and other indigenous resources. Sanctioning the initiation of rehabilitation and repair schemes for primary national highways to withstand 11 tons axle as trial initiatives spanning 3 to 5 years.
ที่เหมาะสมโดยวิธีการเก็บค่าผ่านทางโดยระบบทันสมัยรัฐเป็นผู้เก็บเพื่อให้รัฐเฮามีรายรับและสะสมทุนในการก่อสร้างและซ่อมแซมเส้นทาง
The focus will be on heavily damaged highway sections, accommodating substantial traffic and cargo volumes contingent upon the state's budgetary capabilities. Simultaneously, all economic sectors are encouraged to engage in road refurbishment and maintenance in alignment with stipulated conditions and goals, enhancing the rigor of construction and repair price and quality management through comprehensive societal oversight. Following road restoration to streamline traffic flow, operators utilizing roadways for passenger and cargo transportation will be urged to contribute to toll fees at reasonable rates using contemporary toll collection system administered by the state. This approach aims to bolster state revenue generation and accumulate funds for ongoing road construction and maintenance endeavors.